Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our course. We are going to talk about another topics in engineering physics course. And now we are going to learn about example 15.1 about the calculating pressure of ocean depths ya. Jadi pada pertemuan kali ini kita akan memahami maksud daripada contoh soal ini ya. Oke, let's learn first the problem. Kita baca dulu. At what water depth is the pressure twice atmospheric pressure? Ya, so in point A, we are asked to find at what water depth that the pressure has twice compared to the atmospheric pressure ya. Jadi di yang pertama ini kita diminta untuk mencari pada kedalaman berapa ya. Kalau kita ukur tekanannya itu menghasilkan 2 kali ya daripada tekanan di atmosfer normal. And then for problem number B, what is the pressure at the bottom of the 11 km depth Mariana Trench, ya, the deepest point in the ocean, ya. Jadi di problem number B ini ya kita diminta untuk mengetahui tekanan ya, the pressure at the bottom ya di dasar palung Mariana ya, palung Mariana yang dalamnya adalah 11 km ya. Yang merupakan titik terendah pada permukaan laut yang diketahui manusia sampai saat ini. Ya. Take atmospheric pressure as 100 kilopascal. Ya, kita anggap tekanan atmosfer itu adalah tekanan atmosfer ya, itu adalah 100 ya kilopascal, and the density of water as 1000 kg per meter cube ya, cubic meter ya. Jadi tekanan airnya adalah sekitar 1000 kg per meter kubik. Okay, now we start understanding from the number A ya. So the point number A comes from this value. Okay, so I will so okay, number A, okay. Number A comes from the default formula, which is P, PO plus rho GH ya. Jadi berangkat dari rumus yang default ya, rumus yang baku, yaitu tekanan ya, the pressure that we want to calculate ya equals to atmospheric pressure ya, sama dengan atmosfer permukaan ya atau atmosfer normal plus rho GH ya. This is the density and then this is the gravity ya. The gravity acceleration atau percepatan gravitasi, and this is the height ya atau kedalaman ya. Okay. And as we know that the P itself is twice atmospheric pressure ya. Jadi P yang ingin kita cari adalah 2 atm ya. 2 atm ya. But we have to convert this atm to kPa ya. To PA ya atau kilopascal ya. So the atmospheric pressure as 100 kilopascal. Jadi di sini sudah kasih keterangan ya. Kondisi atmosfer itu normal adalah 100 kPa ya. 100 kPa ini adalah dianggap ya so 100 kilopascal is equal ya in this problem equal to 1 atm ya. So if we have 2 atm, then it must be 2 200 kilopascal ya, or 2 multiplied by 10 powered by 5 Pascal ya. Yeah, so this is P and this is 2 multiplied 10 powered by 5. Yeah, so this is the pressure of 2 atm yeah, in Pascal. Yeah, and then for the atmospheric pressure, I mean the normal atmospheric pressure is 1 atm. So it must be 100 kilopascal. So it will equal to 1 yeah, times 10 to the power of 5 PA. Okay, so and then rho, or the density of water, we take this number, yeah, 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Yeah, so we put like this, and then the G we use 9.8, yeah, 9.8, and then the H is something that we want to know ya. H adalah sesuatu yang ingin kita ketahui, so we put question mark here ya. Jadi kita kasih tanda tanya. Okay, so we are going to find this ya. So the formula will be PO plus rho GH, and then P minus P0 rho GH ya, and then H is P minus P0. Okay, we the rho G we put into the left side, so we got rho G ya. Okay, so H equal to P minus PO rho G ya, and then H the value of P is this yeah, 2 times 10 to the power of 5 minus PO yeah, one to the multiple by 10 to the power of 5 divided by rho yeah, multiplied by G 9.8. So our calculation is the same with this yeah. So this is 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5, so we have also like this, and then 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5, so this is the 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5 divided by 100 multiplied by 9.8 9.8, so this is 1,000 and also 9.8, so the value will be 10 meter. So so it can be concluded that if we go deep down for 10 meter, then 10 meter into the seawater, then we will get pressure of 2 atmosphere ya. Jadi kalau kita menyelam sejauh 10 meter, maka tubuh kita akan merasakan tekanan ya, itu sebesar 2 atm ya, seperti itu. Okay, so this is for point number A. And then we go to number B. Okay, for number B, we are asked to find at the pressure yeah, of 11 kilometers depth of the trench or of the trench ya. Jadi kita diminta untuk mengetahui berapa tekanan ya, berapa tekanan ketika berada pada level ketika kita berada pada kedalaman 11 km ya. Oke. So you start from this again, P0 plus rho H. Oh no. Okay, I'm sorry. So actually we can do in simple things. So in every 10 in every 10 meter, then the pressure will go will increase will increase for 1 ATM ya. Jadi setiap kita menyelam sejauh 10 meter, maka tekanan itu akan bertambah gitu ya, sebesar 1 ATM. So if we have 11 kilometer which is 11,000 meter then the pressure will increase for if 10 it will be 1, and if 11,000, so the P the pressure will be 11,000 divided by 10. So we got 1100 or 1,100 ATM. Jadi kalau setiap turun 10 itu tambahnya 1, berarti kalau 11.000 kan berarti 1.100 kali lipatnya gitu ya. Nah, itu kan nanti menjadi sekian. And then we have to convert from ATM to PA. So if 1 ATM equal to 100 kilopascal, then 1,100 ATM will be times by so it will be 11 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 kilopascal, or it is 110 megapascal because from kilo to mega we have to go up for 3 point Jadi dari kilo ke mega itu kita naik 3 anak tangga, jadi hilang so we lose 1 2 3 so we can get 110 megapascal Jadi kita mendapatkan tekanan 110 megapascal. And so the answer is also 110 megapascal. I hope you can understand from through this video. Jadi saya harap bisa paham dengan menggunakan video ini, dan nanti kita akan lanjutkan ke subtopik selanjutnya. And after this, we are going to continue our discussion on the next subtopic. And thanks for your attention until now. Terima kasih atas perhatiannya sampai sekarang.